Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about directive principles of state policy. Meaning, the Constitution has directed the state to follow some principles in order to achieve the ideal welfare state. These directive principles are called as directive principles of state. Directive principles of state policy. First, social justice. What is social justice? Social justice is the equal access to wealth, opportunities, and privileges within a society. Second, social justice to the weaker section. It is intended to provide basic needs to the weaker sections, to find remedy against economic exploitations, providing education, and extending free legal aid to them. 3. Women and child welfare. Equal wages or equal salary to both men and women for the same work. Maternity benefit to women. Prevention of exploitation of children. Facility for children to grow healthily in addition to providing free and compulsory education. 4. Labor welfare. Looking after labor welfare, right to work, minimum wages to workers, and providing them opportunity to participate in the administration. 5. Aid to the helpless. The government aid for the aged patient and the unemployed to live. 6. Uniform code of law to all. To enforce uniform civil law to all the citizens. 7. Prohibition of liquor. Drinking spoils the health. It leads to financial problems in the family and increased exploitation of women. Therefore, the Constitution has directed all the state governments to enforce the prohibition of liquor. 8. Agriculture and Association of Animal Husbandry. The state government should make an attempt to organize agriculture and animal husbandry in a modern and scientific manner. 9. Environment. Protection of environment and wildlife. Protection of environment from pollution of industries and mines and protect the wildlife. 10. Protection of historical monuments. Protecting the historical places and monuments. For example, Red Fort, Hampi, Beluru Halebeedu, Pattadkallu, and other historical sites. 11. International peace and security. Participation of the country in safeguarding the international peace and security. These are the directive principles of state policy. Thank you.